I'd actually put my kit in the boot the night before, because these mornings are normally so early that I'm not compos mentis first thing in the morning. So today we are off to Ponsbourne Pods to make over our beautiful Karishma today. It's a one event, it's her big day today, and I feel like, well, first of all, this has been a long time coming because it's been postponed a few times thanks to COVID. Let's not talk about that any further. Anyway, but I have had the pleasure of making over Karishma's family, her twin sisters, twice before. So this feels like by doing Karishma today is like a completed circle. Like I feel so humbled to be making over her day today. So I can't wait to show you her get up, her makeover, her outfit, and how her day goes. So make sure you keep tuned.
I'm coming for it all. Come and see man ducking.
Oh, it's a little baby!
Stepping in my clogs, you were never hard back. I got the heart and fat. I got the source and fat. You can never test my slap. Loud like a stripper's clap. Go two ways, but not
What is it? I'll have it. I don't know, but tuck it. Thank you. You need to get down. Of course.
Getting you up at 5 a.m. then.
Oh my god, stunning bangles. And the outfit is pretty heavy, so she's gonna do a little bit of weightlifting later on.
Never wanna come back down. Never wanna come back down. Never wanna come back down. Feet so far from the ground.
You'll be crying on any of that.
He better cry.
I swear to God, that's all I work for, you know? Yeah. Me and Karishma, when did we try? We tried back in March 2020.
Just before lockdown.
Just before lockdown. So we did a quick trial, and the shades that we're using are basically to match her outfit and her jewelry. The traditional kind of Indian bridal vibes that we're going with, but obviously giving Karishma that gorgeous, dewy, fresh, I'm a brand new bride kind of look. Is that a thing? I don't know.
We can make it a thing.
We can do it.
Text don't get the message. Out all night on a humble thing, but the man them get.
So I only use vegan and cruelty-free lashes, because that's the game I play.
Tried to chop it up on a deeper thing, but found out got no connection. Do you wanna take the lead? I got mouths to feed. Blinders on, so it's hard to see all my ops that I'm racing. Complications, the time that we're wasting. It's clear we keep having these grown conversations. Days are shorter, my J's getting longer. Will's getting stronger on this side.
Look like a different human.
No. Yeah. I can feel the rain being on my skin.
Average, I'd lose around 200 to 250 pins on a bridal run. You have lifetime supply of bobby pins, yeah? Lifetime!
It's exactly the look I was going for, kind of natural, glam. Oh, it's lovely. I mean, when I got engaged, and it was time to find different suppliers in terms of makeup artists, it was, all right, go to Mandy first. And then if she's not available, then start the research for other people. I mean, she did both of my sisters. She's the family makeup artist, so yeah, if she's free, then it's just a no-brainer, really.
When I rise up, riding on the storm. When I ride out, no, but come so far. Can't hide out.
So she's now going to get herself into her skirts, and then once she's in her skirt, I'm going to be putting on her dupatta, which is her scarf, to really complete the look, and then I'll do final touch-ups, and then she'll be ready.
Are you ready to take it all? I'm coming to take it all. I am coming to take it all. I'm coming to take it all. I'm coming to take it all. They were sleeping, but
Just finished off Karishma. She looks amazing. Amazing. She looks so good. This is all her. She's all good looks, good genes in this family.
No, it's you as well. It's definitely you as well.
Yeah.
I'm coming for it all. Come and see talking when I walk smooth. Stepping in my clogs, you were never hard back. I got the heart and fed. I got the.
So me and Naomi has been up since 4 o'clock, which, believe it or not, that's not that early for my brides. We've been up since 4, it's now 11:30. Karishma's about to make her entrance. The groom, his jaw is going to drop, he's going to faint and cry, then get up and carry on with the wedding, of course. Yeah, it's been a long time coming, man, and she looks amazing. She sounds like she's having fun now. So yeah, that's my job done for the day. Hope you guys have loved watching. Bye now, I need coffee.